everybody, it's Linda with Copperhead Collectibles. Look what I got. I finally got my 50-cent pieces. I am thrilled. $half box. It took me months to get this box, so I am thrilled. They have lifted all the restrictions for my bank, so we are good to go on opening these boxes. So let's get at it. All right, everybody, let's crack this box open and see what we've got. I'm so excited. This is the most exciting I've been in a long time for some coins. So let's crack this open and see what we got. They're not easy to open these boxes. They do not make it easy. All right, let's get it. Almost. We're getting it. Here we go. Here we go. All right, you guys. Ready to see what we've got? Bam. All right. Got. I don't see anything screaming at me that it is silver. I hope these are not really all new coins. There's a 72. A couple years too new. Got something in here. There's a bicentennial right there. Bicentennial on that one. I can see it. Got the double dates on it, so that's definitely a bicentennial. So we will go through these and see what we've got. So stay tuned. All right, folks, check this out. I am so incredibly happy. That is a proof coin. Look how pretty that coin is. Look at that. That is a beautiful proof coin. 1980 proof. Wonderful find, and that is a good start. I've opened about, I don't know, let's see, about almost 15 rolls, and I've found quite a bit of, see those two rolls, the roll and a half, those are all 1971s, and the next roll right there by itself is the bicentennials, and those are some keepers there, and that's my daughter's 1993 is the only one I found so far, but it's a 1993, and all these are what I've gone through. And no silver yet, but we found, like I said, we found a proof coin. So we're happy with that. So we'll put this aside and we'll touch base back in a minute. All right, guys, look what I think I found. I do believe those are silvers. So we are going to pop them open and see what we got here. Let's pull them out. Cross your fingers. 67. That is a silver. Not in the best condition, but it's silver. I found silver, and it all better condition than that 66. Now this one's a little crappy on the back too. Excuse my French. It's a little burned on the back there. Something discolored, but it is in pretty good condition. I can see that it's got my 67 clears the bell. Awesome. We'll put that aside. Let's pop this other one out. Let me look at that. You can see that. I mean, wow. Bum, bum, bum. It is a 68 silver. Pretty much the same kind of condition, but it was plain as day. You can see it. And the back's in much better condition. This one's a lot better. Wow. So happy. Happy. So we've got two silvers so far that are in pretty good condition, and this one here that is not the best condition, but that's a 66. So it is silver, but it's really damaged in the back. So we've got three silvers, and then we've got this proof coin. Just look at that thing. Look how beautiful it is. So pretty. So anyways, we will be back when we open some more of these rolls, and I think that's it for the silvers on this roll, and we'll check back on soon. All right, everybody, I figured I'd put on film the last two rolls I've got here out of this whole box. And here we go on the second to last roll. I have not found anything besides the four silvers, but I have found, I think, another proof coin, which is a 71, which is my year. Proof coin is beautiful. So anyways, here we go. 90, 2000, bicentennial, 71, 71, 97, 2000, 71, 74, 81, 80, 97, 90, 74. All right, folks, last coin roll of the whole box. Let's open this up. Let's hope we get one more nice keeper. If not, that's okay. We've got quite a few nice ones. Happy with the proof coin that I found. Really made my day. And I didn't expect that. I was hoping for some silver. I got some silvers. Not the best silvers, but it's a start. So here we go. Bum, bum, bum. Last roll. I do not see silver on there. I do not see silver. I've been collecting those. 91, 95, 2018, 73, 72, 93 for my daughter, keeping that. 91, 94, 74. The last coin is an 83. Look how dirty my fingers are. You can tell I've been going through some coins. Anyways, we are done with this box, and I am pretty pleased with what we've turned out to get. We will go through another box next week and see what we can find. But right now, let's close out with our beautiful proof coin, 1980, and it does look like an S on there. I have not looked under the microscope yet, but it is looking like it is an S. And this one's pretty nice too. This 1971 looks like a proof coin, but I'm not positive 100% on it, but it looks beautiful. And we've got 4 silvers. 4 silvers. 66, a 66, 2 66s. Oops, I'm sorry, I just dropped it. No, it's 166, a 68, 67, and 68. So we're doing pretty good. Not the best condition, that one isn't. 2 out of the 4 are pretty good. The 2 are pretty bad. These are not too bad. This is the best one here. But anyways, this is Linda with Copperhead Collectibles. If you enjoy my videos, please hit that like button. If you want to see some more of my videos coming up, which will be next week with some more of these, then hit that subscribe button and hit that little bell, and you guys will get notified of when my next video comes up. Anyways, have a good day, and this is Linda out.